Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm giving you a closer look at the Tusk plug-and-play UTV signal and horn kits for the Can-Am Maverick R and R Max. So the 2 and the 4-seaters. Now, this is the easy way to get turn signals, a horn, and a license plate light installed onto your machine. So it's plug and play. You don't have to be an electrical guru to get all of this stuff installed. Anyone can do it. You just have to be able to pull a couple of body panels, and that's it. So with that being said, we do have a how-to video to guide you through the process, but I want to tell you guys a little bit about these products. So you're going to have a couple switches in your dash that control everything, and this wiring can actually integrate into your factory dash panel so you can see the indicators on there. And then it's going to convert your tail lights into turn signals as well, so you have that dual function. And in the front, you have a couple options for turn signals. So the base kit is going to come with the button lights. That's going to be your more budget-friendly option, and it's going to work great. But if you want to upgrade to the premium option, you can get the accent lights or fang lights with integrated turn signals. So even if your machine already has accent lights installed, these are a little bit different because they do have that integrated turn signals where the stock one doesn't. On ours, we actually opted to run both. So if you go this route, you do have to do a little bit of soldering, but again, this is a completely optional step. Either one of these options, if you get it by itself, it's just gonna plug in and it's really simple to do. So in the back, you've got a license plate light. So again, this is a great kit to help you get you on your way to getting your machine street legal. If you have any questions about it, leave those down in the comments. And when you go to order this, you type in your year, make, and model to make sure you're getting the correct kit for your machine. Orders over $75 ship free. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain UTV MC. Thanks for watching.